Good afternoon, students. So, in previous class, we already learned that about living things and non-living things. And in the previous class, we learned that some features of living things, like all living things need food, all living things die, all living things need breathe. Okay. So, today we will learn about the non-living things. Okay. So, what are non-living things? Things which do not have life in them. Things which do not have life in them, those called non-living things. Things which do not have life in them are called non-living things. So, things which do not have life in them are called non-living things. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಒಳಗೆ ಜೀವ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ non-living things ಅಂತೀವಿ. So, tell me some examples like table and bus, car, pen, etc. You can see thousands of things around you which do not have life in them. Those all things are called as non-living things. Okay? So, see here. Some differences are there. Some differences are there in between living things and non-living things. So, see, generally in living things they do have life in them are called living things. The things which do not have life are called non-living things. Okay, living things can breathe. Non-living things cannot breathe. Living things can die. Non-living things cannot die. Okay, living things need food, non-living things do not need food. Living things grow, non-living things do not grow. Okay, all these things are differences in between living things and non-living things. Okay, see, we'll make a table here and here living thing, here non-living. Okay, so first feature is living thing. They can eat food or they need food. Okay, they need food. Living things need food, but non-living things do not need food. They do not need food. Okay. So what is the next difference is they grow. ಏನಂತಾವ grow ಆಗ್ತಾವ living things. But what about non-living things? They do not grow. ಅವು ಏನಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ non-living things grow ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, what is the next difference? They die. Living things die after a certain time, after their end of lifespan. Okay, but what about non-living things? They do not die. Okay, ಏನಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸಾಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವು non-living things ಗೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, next. So what is the next feature is living things feel. They feel. Living things feel. They do not feel. They do not feel. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು living things ಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಪೇನ್, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್, ಸ್ಯಾಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸಿಗೇನು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಈ ಟೇಬಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇನ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ನಾಯಿಗೆ ಅದು ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯಾಗ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಪೇನ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೀತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬ್ರೀತ್. ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು? ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ, ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತಾವ ಗಾಳಿಯನ್ನ. ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಬ್ರೀತ್. ಇವೇನ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಟೇಬಲ್ ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತಾ, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಕ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತಾವ ಗಾಳಿಯನ್ನ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ದೇ ಬ್ರೀತ್? ನೋ, ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಬ್ರೀತ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ and it do not have life in them. Okay, so the next difference is living things can grow. Living things ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ? ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ದಿನ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಯಾಕೆ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗ್ತಾವ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಈಟ್ ಫುಡ್. ದೇ ಈಟ್ ಫುಡ್, ಸೊ ದೇ ಗ್ರೋ ಅಪ್ ಡೇ ಬೈ ಡೇ. But non-living things do not grow. As I told you that non-living things do not have life in them, so they do not grow. Okay, so this is the difference in between living things and non-living things. So if I tell you the examples for non-living things, many are there, like human beings, all animals, all birds, plants. So these all are the examples for living thing. And what are the examples for non-living things? There are many, like this chalk, this board, this table, this duster, okay, books, chair, door, window. All these are examples for non-living things. Okay, so this is the difference. Next, see the page number 113. Page number 113. In page number 113, what is there? A table is there. See, time to answer. Okay, it's time to answer, and you can see this green table. They have asked some questions. We have to answer them. Okay. So, what is the first there? See the headline. Circle out the correct word to fill in the blanks. Circle out the correct word to fill the blanks. Okay. They have given the questions, and there are two options for you. ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಯಾವುದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಔಟ್. Okay, which one is correct answer? No, you should circle the correct answer. What is the first question? Non-living things dash. Non-living things dash. What is there in bracket? Do or do not? It's do or do not. Okay, have life. Have life. Okay, what is the second question? Fan is the living or non-living? Fan is the living or non-living? Or a non-living, okay, thing. The third question. All living things dash. All living things dash. In bracket, die or make food. Die or make food. Make food. See. You have to circle the correct answer. Okay, non-living thing dash. Non-living thing dash. Do or do not have life? Yes, non-living thing do not have life. Do not have life. Is it? So write the correct answer in the brackets. Do not. Okay, non-living things do not have life. Then which kind of things are having life? Those are called living things. Okay, so fan is a dash. Fan is a living or non-living thing? It is a non-living thing. Fan, yes. Fan, it doesn't breathe, it doesn't grow, it doesn't need food. Okay, so it doesn't die. So fan is a non-living thing. Okay, the last one, all living things dash. all living things dash die or make food. Yes, all living things die. ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸು ಸಾಯ್ತಾವ ಒಂದಿನ. But all living things do not prepare their food. Only plants can make their own food. Okay? Otherwise, animals, birds, human beings, they do not make their own food. Okay? They are depend on the plants for the food. Okay? So the answer is all living things die. Okay? So after this, we will study about natural and man-made things. Natural and man-made things. So see, what are natural things? First one, what are natural? All the things around us can also be grouped into natural and man-made things. Okay, so all the things which you can see around yourself are divided into two parts. Okay, those are called natural things and man-made things. Okay, so let's study about this. What are natural things? First one, what are natural things? Things which are created by nature. Things which are created by nature. Which are created by nature. Things which are created by nature are called natural things. Okay? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವ, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿರುವಂಥ ನೇಚರ್ ಏನದ ಅದರಿಂದ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ಅಂಥದ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ತಂತಾನ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ, ತಂತಾನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. Those are called as the natural things. Things which are created by nature are called natural things. Okay, so tell me some examples for this. Examples are like, first one, our earth. Earth is a natural thing. Then sun, moon. Okay, then satellites. Okay, water. These all are the natural things. Earth, sun, moon, satellites, water, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವು ಏನಾಗ್ಯಾವ? ತಂತಾನ ಏನು ಈ ನೇಚರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ತಂತಾನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ನೇಚರ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್? ಸಿ, ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಬೈ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. Things which are made by man are called man things. ಯಾವ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ, ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ, ಅವ್ರಕ್ಕ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. Things which are made by man are called man-made things. So tell me some examples for man-made things. Like I will tell school, okay, school and pen, book, chair, okay, these all etc. Still many are there. Okay. So for example, a school, ಪೆನ್, ಬುಕ್, ಚೇರ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ? ನಾವು ಮಾಡೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ. ಅದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್? ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ನೇಚರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. Natural things ಕೆಳಗಡೆ they are given the 3 pictures. What is the first picture? Clouds. Yes, you can see the clouds in the sky. Okay, clouds are natural things or man-made things? Yes, those are natural things. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಆ ಮೋಡನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಆಕಾಶದೊಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಾರ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಅದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಸೊ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ? No, the sun is also a natural thing, and earth, it is also a natural thing. Okay, so you can see the pictures some here. 4 pictures are there. What is the first picture? Books. As I told you, books are the man-made things. Books anna yaar ready madara? Now manshara ready madidvi. Next, table. Okay, computer, aeroplane, helicopter, bus. All things are man-made things because those things are created by man. Okay, so we call them man-made things. Okay, so open the page number 114. Open the page number 114 and see what is there. 4 pictures are there. Can you see this green table? And how many pictures are there? 4 pictures are there. What they ask for? Write N. Okay, write N for natural things and M for man-made things under each picture. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೂ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ಆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಇಫ್ ಆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಮ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್? Plant is a natural thing. Okay, so write N in the first box. Okay, N for natural things, M for man-made things. Plant is a natural thing, so we wrote N. Okay, what is the second picture? Water. Okay, water is a natural thing or man-made thing? It is a natural thing, so write N. Okay, 2 more boxes are there. What is the third picture? Car. It is a car. Is it a man-made or natural? It is a man-made. So write M. Car ಏನು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ. So it is a M, means the man-made things. What is the fourth picture? There are toys. ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Toys, ಆಟೋಣಿಕೆ ಸಾಮಾನು. So is it natural thing or man-made things? It is also a man-made things. So write M. Okay. So in this chapter we learnt about first one, living things. What are living things? Other things that have life in them are called living things. Okay, next one we talk about non-living things. The things which do not have life in them are called non-living things. Okay, again things we divided into 2 groups. Those are natural things, man-made things. What are natural things? Things which are created by nature are called natural things. For example, earth, sun, moon, satellite, water, moon, many are there. Okay, next, what are man-made things? The things which are made by man are called man-made things. And examples are stool, pen, book, chair, etc. Many are there. Okay, next we talk about sense organs. Okay, what is the use of sense organs? Sense organs allow us to sense the things which are present all around us. Okay, so this chapter is about living things and non-living things. Here this chapter is completed. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about some questions, like in the page number 115 you can see write true or false, fill in the blanks, match the following, multiple choice questions are there. So we will discuss these all questions in the next class. Okay.